Protecting some Lotus grills. I need to make them thinner, as the original was quite a bit thinner. Not a lot thinner, but just a little bit. They stick up above the bonnet, so made this, and I'll make a template for it to fit into, so I can machine them down by hand. Machining the vents down a bit thinner for a little Lotus Elite, an early model. Yeah, bit of a different little job. Thing bows and twists all over the place because they're castings, but anyway, we'll get there. The middle one's the original. I've protected it with gaffer tape. They're finished now. They're the same sort of height with the gaffer tape. So now all I've got to do is clean them all up, get rid of some of the light machining marks where it bowed, and take them all off and clean them up. They'll be good. There we go. The first one's been cleaned up. A few little dings where the thing bloody moved because it was a bit flexible, a bit bowed. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. You don't see this side. I'm just being over silly. I've chamfered all the bits and pieces and taken all the rough edges off. I'm quite happy with that. That's the original. That's the new one. Same height, everything. So I'm happy with that.